B6.
Back to innocent. Thinking this is going to start on H2.
Miss.
Okay.
I'm gonna guess G2.
Hit.